Good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claire from Claire's Itchy Feet, and today we are exploring Pissouri, which is in the Limassol region of Cyprus. From where we live in Larnaca, it's about an hour and 30-minute drive down here. We brought the dog because it's very dog friendly. This path actually leads down to a dog friendly beach. Yeah, it's very peaceful. It's very green. Apparently it's full of iron. So this is what it looks like before. It was really interesting. So we've just been inside this house here, a traditional Cypriot house, to learn traditional lace making. Valley did all of that, I just watched. And also the family talked to us about how the traditional lace is made and given as gifts. So for example, the daughter has made a tablecloth for when her daughter gets married, and then she'll also make the similar tablecloths but in different colours for when her sons get married. And these are traditional gifts that you give, and it's kind of passed down through generations. But a lot of this kind of traditional art is being lost really, because this new generation aren't learning the art of lace making, which is kind of sad. So it is dying out. But it was really interesting seeing like this bedspread. It was impressive. And it took the mother, not the mother, but we met her mother, so the grandmother, 2.5 years to make it. That's some serious dedication. But then other things, it maybe would take her 2 days to make. You need a lot of concentration, I feel. Apparently it got really reinvigorated during COVID because people had a lot of time and they weren't working, so they were making lots of lace. So yeah, now we're going to the family restaurant, which is just next door. It's called Midway Traditional Restaurant, and we're going to have a traditional Cypriot lunch. So we just had the tour of the resort. It's really nice in here. It has the feel of like a Cypriot village. So one of the restaurants, it's like a Cypriot square. They've even got the church there. You've got beautiful sea views. And now we had a look around the suites. So they don't have any standard rooms. They're all suites. We had a look around a family suite, which has 2 rooms. I think it's for like 2. You can get 2 children. There's 2 different single beds. And then a standard garden room view. Really, really nice. And now we're in the spa. It's out of this world. And it even has this beautiful pool. And in the summer, the doors open. You can swim right out from the spa. Well, that was a beautiful end to a beautiful day in Pissouri. Oh, super relaxed, super chill. Might go for a walk on the beach. We might just head home, I'm not sure. I feel a little bit tired and the baby's still sleeping, which we're a little bit concerned about because he's been asleep for far too long. And don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss another one.